Question: which of the following is not a component of an admission process? Correct answer is C. Providing discharge summary. The discharge summary is part of the discharge process, not the admission process. Next question: what is the most important step in a safe patient discharge? Correct answer is A. Scheduling follow-up appointments. Follow-up care ensures continuity of treatment and helps detect any complications early. Next question: what is the first step in patient discharge? Correct answer is C. Conducting a final assessment. A final assessment ensures that the patient is stable for discharge. Next question: who is responsible for verifying a patient's discharge instructions? Correct answer is B. Nurse. Nurses ensure that patients understand their discharge instructions properly. Next question: what is an essential part of patient admission? Correct answer is C. Identify verification. Correct patient identification prevents medical errors. Next question: what is a major risk of inadequate discharge planning? Correct answer is C. Higher readmission rates. Proper discharge planning helps prevent complications and readmissions. Next question: what document summarizes a patient's hospital stay and treatment? Correct answer is A. Discharge summary. It contains details about the patient's treatment and follow-up care. Next question: what should be done if a patient refuses to be discharged? Correct answer is C. Document refusal and inform the doctor. Proper documentation ensures legal and ethical handling of the situation. Next question: what is the primary reason for patient admission? Correct answer is B. Medical necessity. Patients are admitted based on their medical condition and need for hospital care. Next question: what is the main purpose of an admission note? Correct answer is B. To record initial assessment and treatment plan. It provides details about the patient's condition and care plan. Next question: when is a discharge summary prepared? Correct answer is C. Before the patient leaves the hospital. It ensures that all discharge instructions are documented. Next question: what should be included in discharge instructions? Correct answer is C. Medication details and follow-up care. Patients must understand their medications and next step in care. Next question. What is the role of a social worker during the discharge process? Correct answer is C. Assist with home care arrangements. Social workers help with arranging home care or community resources for discharged patients. Next question. What is a key factor in patient admission regarding consent? Correct answer is B. Ensuring informed consent is obtained. Informed consent ensures the patient agrees to the planned treatment. Next question. What is the main responsibility of a nurse during patient admission? Correct answer is B. Conducting initial assessment and documenting data. Nurses gather vital information to create a care plan for the patient. Next question. When can a patient be discharged after surgery? Correct answer is B. After the patient is stable and has been evaluated. Discharge depends on the patient's stability and recovery progress. Next question. Which of the following should be checked before a patient's discharge? Correct answer is B. The patient's understanding of care instructions. Ensuring the patient understands care instructions helps prevent complications. Next question. How should the discharge summary be shared with the patient? Correct answer is C. Verbal and in writing. Both verbal and written instructions ensure the patient understands the care plan.